Have you been wondering, what is Aromatic Essential Oil good for? Well, you are in the right place because in this video, I'm going to teach you all about how to use this particular essential oil. I'm Mandy Sommers, a certified essential oil specialist. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and click the bell so you can be notified every single time I upload a brand new video. About essential oil education, and I have been teaching about the power of essential oils for the past 11 years. I'm so happy that you landed here on this channel, and hopefully you find value in this education. Now, if you stick around to the end, you'll actually have a chance to get my free essential oils usage guide and even learn how to get access to my Essential Oils Made Easy class that I teach live once a week. So I want you to close your eyes. The morning is crisp and clear. Take a deep breath in. A fresh, sweet aroma begins to waft around you. Okay, you can exhale. There's a way to create that feeling anytime, wherever you are with Aromatic. You can open your eyes now. Aromatic is a blend of natural essential oils like Lycia, tangerine, grapefruit, frankincense, cardamom. And it has this intense citrusy, woodsy, and faintly herbal aroma. Aromatic is designed to help freshen the air when diffused. And experimental research suggests that Lycia, an essential oil in Aromatic, soothes and promotes feelings of openness. Results from early research demonstrate that limonene, a major component found in Aromatic, may provide cleansing benefits. Aromatic is a blend that is designed to help freshen the air when it's diffused. It includes things like tangerine and cardamom, frankincense, and like I said, Lycia. It's also known as our air blend. Aromatic was created with this aromatic use specifically in mind. The aroma is intensely citrusy with faintly woody and herbal tones. In addition to helping to freshen the air, this blend can have a very calming and energizing effect when it's inhaled. With its lovely aroma and its supportive benefits, Aromatic is a great blend to use topically. You can apply this to your chest, to the back or the bottoms of your feet, and because Aromatic has citrus oils in it, you definitely want to avoid direct UV exposure within about 12 hours of using this, wherever you put it on your body. Aromatic can be used internally as well. You can add a drop of Aromatic to your water if you'd like those internal benefits. So here are 4 ways to use Aromatic. You can use Aromatic to promote clear environment in your workspace simply by putting it in a diffuser. You can also add a drop to your favorite diffuser necklace or bracelet. You can also use this as a cleanser. You can put this in some water in a spray bottle to cleanse. And it is an awesome oil to have on hand. It's freebie time. You made it through the video. I want to give you time to access my free Essential Oils Made Easy class along with my usage guide. You can find those in the links below. Thanks so much for watching. If you found value in this, please give it a thumbs up, and we will see you in the next video.